everyone? Mike Evans here, co-founder, Pat, trading partners, along with Bob Viacino. If you're new here, please subscribe, ring the bell, share our content, help us grow the channel, please, if you like what we're doing. I'm not going to spend more time on that right now, but DraftKings put out this video a couple weeks ago talking about this trigger double top with these three targets. You can go back to those videos and see exactly that they are the same. 30-48, so essentially 30-50. Bouncing off there, coming back to the rotation zone, retesting it, and that did form a potential double bottom. That never triggered, but it was against the rotation zone, so lower probability. That's why you wait for these things to trigger. And then rotating back down, 28.10, 25.71, next two targets lower. The highest probability one is a 28.10, also coming in just below this little support shelf. So that's what we're watching for as this continues to unfold. This now is, there's nothing else to do but watch for those next levels. If it does drop below the next one, let's just see the weekly. So the weekly rotation zone is 26.83. We're at 25.71, so this can easily go down to the weekly rotation zone, just spiking a little through it. If we did drop below that, there's not a lot of major support. That's the problem with these quick little run-ups. There's some minor little support shelves that you're targeting, like there's around this 24.50, then right around 22.30. But this thing, if it's going to return to its 200-day simple moving average, is all the way back to 17.50. Just keep that in mind for your stops if you're trading from the long side. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.